Software is strange property. Build a chair and there is one chair. But write a program and anyone can copy it perfectly, a million times for almost nothing. So if it can be duplicated for free, who actually owns it, and what are you allowed to do with it? These questions have answers in law and in ethics. Rules about who owns creative work, what you may copy, how your personal data must be treated, and who gets access to technology at all. This is the human side of computing. When you create something original, code, music, writing, you automatically hold its intellectual property. Copyright is the law that protects it. It gives you, the creator, the exclusive right to copy, sell, or change your work. Nobody else may without permission. Break that protection by copying or sharing without a license, and it is piracy. Illegal and unfair to the creator who deserves credit and payment. Copyright is the foundation everything else in this unit builds on. A license is permission to use software under set conditions, and there are two great philosophies. Proprietary software, like Windows or Photoshop, keeps its source code secret. You buy the right to run it, but never to see inside or modify it. Open source software, like Linux or Firefox, does the opposite. The source code is published for anyone to read, change, and share. It is often free of charge, improved by a global community, but with no single company guaranteeing support. Openness traded for polish. Ownership is not just about software, it is about you. Companies hold huge amounts of your personal data, and privacy is the right to control who sees it. Data protection laws force organizations to handle that data responsibly, not however they please. The principles are consistent worldwide. Data must be collected lawfully and for a clear purpose, kept accurate and secure, used only for that purpose, and never held longer than needed. You also gain the right to see, correct, or demand deletion of what they hold. Finally, a question of fairness. Technology only empowers those who can reach it. The digital divide is the growing gap between people with good devices and fast internet and those without, whether through poverty, location, or age. That gap matters because so much of modern life, school, jobs, banking, government, now lives online. Those left on the wrong side fall further behind. Closing the divide is one of computing's real ethical responsibilities, not just a technical one. Creators own their work. Intellectual property is protected automatically by copyright, which gives the exclusive right to copy, sell, and change it. Copying without permission is piracy, both illegal and unfair to the person who made it. Software comes under licenses in two models. Proprietary software hides its source and is paid for, with vendor support. Open source publishes its source to read, edit, and share, usually free. And computing carries human responsibilities beyond the code itself. Data protection laws guard your privacy and give you rights over your personal data, while the digital divide reminds us that fair access to technology is itself an ethical goal worth fighting for. This unit is the law and ethics, not the security technology that enforces it.